Good morning, garden friends. Today we're going to be working back here in the part shade, okay, let me change that, part sun garden. As you guys can see, I tried my hand at an arborvitae and failed miserably. So we're going to be pulling that one out and planting my hydrangea that I did from clippings. And look at this, guys. It has buds on it. So I'm gonna put this back here, one back here, and then another one in this area back here, just to, number one, in the summertime, spring, I'm gonna have some color back here other than just the greenery back here. So like I said, Kevin and I are going to get this dug out, get this limelight planted back here, and then this is the thing, this actually got cut off of one of my really big hydrangeas, so I think that's going to look really nice in the corner, because that hydrangea there is a endless summer, and I have not been having really good success with the endless summers. Now they will bloom really, really nicely, but because this area and areas in my garden just gets way too much sun, it ends up burning them. So I'm actually donating them to a friend of mine, because she has like the perfect area that she'll be able to put those in. And there's like, I think 3 of them that I'm going to be giving them to her. So we're gonna go ahead, like I said, get that tree dug up. That hydrangea I'm not gonna dig up until like October, when it's a little bit cooler. And go ahead and get this hydrangea and my other one planted back here so that they can get acclimated. I can watch, see how they're doing, because this is my thing. If they're doing this well in a pot, from being propagated, I think they're going to be really good in the ground. So let me go ahead and grab Kevin and we go ahead and dig this out. Okay, so Kevin's going to go ahead and get that dug out. I don't know what caused it to end up not doing well, because with the yard being on a slope, I would think that the rain would definitely be beneficial for it, but apparently not. You might just be able to pull that out, knock some of the dirt off. Is it root rotted?
Wait.
Let's see. Pull it up. Let's see it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll just bring it out. Oh, you're going to throw it? All right, so I could have sworn that was like really good soil. I'm not worried about those elephant ears. Let me go and I'll get some soil and we'll mix it in there before we put the hydrangea in there, okay?
Both of those or one?
No, I'm gonna put one here and then one where I got the Annabelle in the pot. But I'll make sure we have dirt for both of them. So, all right, so the hole based off of the tree is deep enough. We're just gonna go ahead and get some more of the compost and manure mix in there since it was so clay. And then I'll end up putting some rose tone in there and we can get that mixed up. Yeah, I think that's probably good. Yeah, put like 2 handfuls in there. and mix it.
I won't need to put any more.
No. And then that way we can make sure that when we put the hydrangea in there, it'll be able to be a little bit up above, and then we'll work some more of the soil. Just pretty much dump that. Not too. Sort of push it down in there. Okay. We got more than enough dirt that we can put around there.
No, yeah, get all that.
I'll give you one. Go ahead and push it down, step on it. Yeah, step on it.
More for the side.
Yeah. Now, I had watered it before. You need to press a little harder down. And if we need to put more soil on it, just to make sure all those air pockets are out of there. It's still kind of springy, so.
This soil's awful dry. What we're putting in.
Okay, well, we'll put more on top. Okay. And then later on today, I'll water.
One more.
Okay. I think that'll end up looking really good once it gets to the full size. Here, hand me the shovel.
My nose just walked.
We're going to go ahead and get that hole dug so we can get the other hydrangea. You need to just make sure you go back. You're going, yep. Huh?
The hoses.
Oh, okay.
Might be a challenge for the roots. The tree.
I think we should. The soil is soft enough to where we could probably get my auger. Okay, I see that root, but it looks like it's thin enough to where you can just go ahead and cut it in half.
Big root right here.
It's about the size of my thumb.
Yeah, but auger's not going to do anything.
Oh, it ain't even as big as my thumb.
How big is your thumb?
It's not that big. That's more like my pinky.
That's deep enough for going wider, like you said.
Okay.
Let me get the soil over here.
Yeah, this one's just a little bit smaller. Watch your foot back there. Probably good just to throw it in that hole.
Wonder if proven winners pots crumble so quickly.
Leave Novia alone. It's a recycle pot. I put one more scoop in there. All right, and then here, 2 handfuls. That'll be really nice to see how these guys end up doing. Yeah. Here. Pack it down. And then I'd just go ahead and push that dirt that you took out the hole on top of there. And then
I'm just going to make it higher than...
no, we're just thinly spread it out. Yeah, and once I wet it, it'll probably settle.
See there, I told you I need Velcro shoes.
Shut up. All right, so we got those 2 limelights planted. I moved Annabelle. I'm gonna go ahead and get this dead stuff clipped off of it. And then get both of these guys watered. You know, I'm also gonna go ahead and get my daylilies cut back, but these are going to be ones I'm going to be moving later on in the season. All right, guys, I am all done. I got my 2 hydrangeas planted and watered, and then I trimmed down my daylilies and then trimmed up the one rose. So let me just turn the camera around and show you guys everything done. All right, so I'm gonna be really watching these guys. As I showed you, this one here has buds already on it. Just keeping a keen eye on it, make sure it stays nice and watered. Seeing that it was doing so well in the pot, I feel very confident with adding the amended soil and planting it with some rose tone. It is going to do fantastic. Like I said, I clipped my rose bush, the irises that were hanging over, trimmed up my Annabelle, and then there's the other hydrangea. Those guys are going to look so nice back here because, like I said, I was wanting to bring a splash of color back here because everything is so green. All right, guys, I thank you so much for taking this journey with me as I planted up my propagated hydrangeas. I so love being able to do that. I think now I am up to 53 hydrangeas because I did plant a bobo earlier in the month over in the bird sanctuary. Well, thank you again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner, and I look forward to you checking out my next video.